Hello friends, Tech in English channel. All of you welcome. You can see that here nothing phone launch in confirm in India. You can see that here and nothing phone is launched. Nothing phone and nothing phone 2. Nothing changes here. You can see that here nothing phone and nothing phone 2. Nothing changes here. You can see that here and also in this phone is display is 6.7-inch AMOLED display and 120 Hz refresh rate is there in this phone and processor also 8 Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 is there in this mobile phone and Antusa score is above 10 lakh above is there. You can see that here and 120 Hz refresh rate is there in this phone. Vapor cooling chamber also is there and sensor is in display fingerprint face unlock and also more is there. You can see that here and 4700 mAh battery with 66 volt turbo charging is there in this phone and camera also in this phone is good and 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel macro depth sensor is there and 32 megapixel selfie camera is there in this phone. You can see that here nothing phone is now is good. Back also change is there, change now and nice is there and you can see that here 8 plus 128 GB, 8 plus 1 to 256 GB, 12 plus 256 GB is there. Now I'm expected price is 40,000. You can see that here and nothing phone is confirmed in India. Phone 2 one of the nice phone and processor also good there in this phone. You can see that here and comment in this video and subscribe this channel. All of you welcome and thank you. Nothing phone is good. All of you buy this phone. Thank you.